Notion AI, features, strengths, weaknesses. Notion AI, integrated directly within the Notion workspace, offers a powerful suite of tools aimed at content creation, summarization, and task management. Key features include the AI Writing Assistant, which can generate articles, blog posts, social media updates, and even creative content based on user prompts. AI-powered summarization, allowing rapid understanding of lengthy documents and meeting notes, and the AI Q&A feature that surfaces relevant information from your Notion databases based on natural language queries. Notion AI is primarily targeted at knowledge workers, writers, project managers, and teams seeking to streamline their workflow and boost productivity within the existing Notion ecosystem. Its core strength lies in its seamless integration. Since it lives directly within Notion, it has immediate access to your notes, databases, and projects, eliminating the need to copy-paste data between applications. This allows for context-aware content generation and more accurate summarization. Furthermore, the user-friendly interface mirrors the overall Notion experience, making it easy to learn and adopt. Affordability is also a strong point. The pricing model is relatively competitive, especially for existing Notion users. However, Notion AI has notable weaknesses. The quality of generated content can be inconsistent. While it's a good starting point for brainstorming or overcoming writer's block, the output often requires significant editing and refinement to achieve a polished final product. It sometimes struggles with complex or nuanced topics, producing generic or factually incorrect information. Another drawback is its reliance on the quality of your Notion workspace. If your databases are poorly organized or lack sufficient data, the AI Q&A feature will be less effective. Compared to specialized AI writing tools, Notion AI lacks advanced features like SEO optimization or plagiarism detection. Moreover, while convenient, the integration within Notion can be a double-edged sword. Users deeply invested in other note-taking or project management systems might not find sufficient incentive to switch solely for the AI capabilities. Finally, the summarization tool occasionally misses crucial details or misinterprets context, necessitating careful review. In conclusion, Notion AI is a valuable addition to the Notion ecosystem, particularly for users already heavily invested in the platform. It offers a convenient way to generate content, summarize information, and extract insights from your data. However, it's not a replacement for specialized AI tools or human writers, and the output should always be carefully reviewed and edited. Its strength lies in enhancing existing Notion workflows, not necessarily replacing them entirely. Consider your specific needs and the overall organization of your Notion workspace before committing to Notion AI, weighing the benefits of seamless integration against the limitations in content quality and advanced features.